Good moment everyone, this is your boy Blessing Able Gravis. Alright, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to download fonts. And the first thing you have to do is to make sure you have data and you on your data. After that, you come to your applications and you will open the browser. I'm using Chrome for my browser, and you will come to search engine. You have to search on what you want to do, which is we want to download font. And after you click on it, make sure you type font, just only font. I don't want to advise you now for any site, but once you click on this type font, just search on it, it will show you a lot of sites whereby you can download your font, and you will download it easy. You can still see it, how you can leave it, see how you where you can download fonts. It's very easy to download fonts, it's very easy. After that, you have to click on that font. Okay, that is the site I wish I can download on. Now, maybe whenever you get there, it will give you latest font, recent font, and you can download on it. Or if you have particular font you want to download, just come to and this side and type your whatever you want to put there and click on search. The thing will download easily. But if you see your favorite here, just come to this side to download it. Okay, I click on download, and the name of the font that we are download is classical. After that, you have downloaded it successfully. It notified me now that the thing is already downloaded. And after that, you have to come to your file. After you come to your files, you will have to locate where the font downloaded is to. Okay, now I click on the on download. Okay, after that I have to, okay, you can see the classics now. This is the fonts we downloaded just now. You can see just now. After that, you click on it, come to extract. Okay, I want to delete that zip. I don't want that zip to remain. Once I want to, I just want to download it and use it immediately. It's not that I want to send this to someone. After that, I will click on done. After it is done, you now go to your PixelLab. Okay, I click on PixelLab. Okay, no, let's, because assuming you are working before and you don't want your work lost, you can click OK. But I'm very sure I used to save whenever I'm working. Now that reason why you don't want to save down, click on OK. Now this one you have to delete it or leave it. You can leave it and come to the second guy here, this A, which means text. After you click on it, go to font. I click on font and you come to my font here. When you get to my font, just click on this file, this guy here. After you click on it, just go to your download. Once you get to the download, you will see the font. You can see classical, you can see it now. Just click OK on it. You can see a lot these three font that follow the classical font we downloaded. That is family font, and you will add everything at once. Just click on this add directory. After you click on it, you can see automatically all those four fonts they included on one, they added automatically. You can see how easy and beautiful it is. After that, just click on it. Now you are using it. Click once you anyone you want, you will see that this thing will change it for you. This side, once you are clicking on it, you can see as I'm clicking, you assuming you click another things, it will change. But this is the font we want to use. You can see I click on classical bold. After that, just click OK. Oh my God, see how it is very easy. Oh, that is good. Just wait on my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. You can see a lot of videos here that I will be dropping every week. And make sure you are watching it and practicing it. It's not about only see you in class. Make sure you have the time you are practicing all these things. Oh, I wish you success in Jesus' name. Happy watching. Thank you very much.